Hello and welcome to my tech studio. Dear learners, in this video you will learn the first use of count formula and you will learn how you can use count formula to find the number of cells that contain data or entries in MS Excel sheet. So let's start. Here you can see I have already entered data in a column in different cells. You can see there are some blank cells. Now I want to find out how many cells are there that contain numbers or data or values. For this, it's very simple. Before entering any formula, you remember that we have to type equal. After equal, type count. As you type count, you can see the drop-down menu give you more options. But you have to type count because we have to learn count formula. Then type the bracket, select the range, click in the first cell and drag it to the last one. That is the simple and easy way to select the range. You can see the range is selected from D2 to D23 cell. Close the bracket and press the enter key so you can see the number of cells is 15 that contain values or data. There is another method to select the range. Let's learn that one. Type equal and after equal type count. C-O-U-N-T count. You can select the count formula from the given drop-down menu by tab button. Then open the bracket, type the address of the first cell, that is D2. Then semicolon and type the address of the last cell, D23. Close the bracket and press the enter key. You will find the number of cells that contain entries or values or data. That's how you can use the count formula to find the number of cells in a sheet that contain data or entries. Thanks for watching this video lesson. Please share with your friends. Take care and goodbye.